Welcome back to my channel. We're preparing some dessert for after dinner. See. Yeah. What are you preparing, Mama?
Banana souffle.
Banana souffle.
The ice cream. Very, very, very.
Wow, it's nice. Banana souffle.
Banana souffle.
How do you do the banana souffle?
It's just the butter and the sugar, and then after that you put the
Then?
1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Only vanilla.
Vanilla. Banana souffle. This is souffle da?
This is my French recipe already
Oh.
in her memory.
In her memory. What happened to her?
Passed away with
sorry.
colon cancer.
So banana
She
souffle
said
da.
a very simple recipe. You can do this.
That's oil. Put oil.
No, butter.
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 And
That's it.
And oil.
and brown
Just
sugar.
butter. Yeah. Only butter.
Banana souffle. Souffle daw.
Souffle da.
Spell souffle.
Souffle.
Hindi na pasado.
Ang sagot, says
Spell.
lang.
Spelling.
Start with the letter S. Followed by letter O. Followed by
Souffle da?
letter U. F.
Ala, di na.
F.
Banana souffle.
L.
Souffle da.
E.
Souffle daw.
Suplang.
So butter.
Push. Sige, anong favorite color mo?
Brown.
Pick up push.
Fuchsia. Fu and sha.
Spell.
Fu and sha. Fu and sha. Fuchsia.
Push mo na yan.
Push ko
And then
na.
rolling.
Yes. So this is banana souffle. Push.
Banana
Na.
souffle. Banana
Let's
souffle. Do, 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 do. Oh, you scoop the ice cream na banana souffle.
It will melt. Just wait and see.
Of course, we have a presentation. So just wait until.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell.
Please.
Please.
How about our
Kung Fu Fighter. Kung Fu Fighter.
Why don't we do the Kung Fu Panda while cooking?
Yeah. Patugtugin na.
Kung Fu
Panda.
to fighting.
Tita Oma is here. Look, she's pretty. Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty.
Scoop the ice cream.
Ay, ayan. Yun na
Put it
ang
first there.
scoop.
We'll wait until you finish. And then we'll put scoop the ice
Banana
cream.
scoop
It will
pala.
melt quickly. You know.
Every zone.
So banana souffle. I will make gaya-gaya of banana souffle.
So pwede.
Lagi siyang sinusundo ng mga farmer.
Banana.
Kasi nag-alarm na naman siya.
Nag-alarm na naman si Souffle.
Alarm na naman ang,
Si Souffle.
ang residence. Kaya
No.
papatawag na naman ng
Ay, wala. For the last, kapag may false alarm, laging kay Sister Maria. Hindi namin ligtas
You still have
kami.
banana there.
Of course, there is always a banana.
So enjoying the show of Mama Rosa. Of Mama Rosa.
And then we put some ice cream
Banana
on
souffle. And put some butter.
There you go.
Butter.
Banana souffle.
Look. Look beautiful. 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 Like Mama Rosa.
Yeah.
Souffle.
Souffle.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
May content.
Well, content. Ginamit na naman ako. Nagamit na naman ako.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah?
And then,
With Tita Taling. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe tayo ng cellphone. Thank you for cooking and liking my video. Thank you. Banana souffle.
Okay.
Yeah?
And then,
Oh,
where's our
pasta.
food? Ayun.
I think I saw her going out at Rosemary and Lito Canteen.
Banana souffle.
Okay, rest.
Si Kwan? Si Pretty? Aba, si Pretty parang Kwan ah.
Banana.
Souffle da.
Soufflera. Paano ba to?
Suplada.
Ang ganda pala.
Ay, bakit lima ka? Zero na. Okay. Banana souffle da.
Banana soufflera.
Uy, nag-message si Kapitan. Sabi niya, happy birthday na lager.
Flowers. Dollar earner.
That's banana souffle.
May suplada naman.
Banana souffle.
Tapos na ang souffle da. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, Chef Rosa.